Hi friends, first of all I wanna wish you a happy Gandhi Jayanti. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Yes, I am talking about the one and only Mahatma Gandhi. He played such an important role of getting India freedom from the British rulers. On 2nd of October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. It is Non-Violence Day in India. We celebrate this day as national celebration in India. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial at Rajpath, Delhi. Raghupati Raghav Rajaram, which is the favorite bhajan of Gandhi, makes us feel divine power. Children play role playing on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi attained his early education from Ahmedabad. He was a dedicated student. He went to South Africa to pursue law from University College London's Faculty of Law and realized the importance of education in life. He believed that education is the basic necessity of everybody. He felt that education is the only medium that could build a strong nation. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of our country, and he, along with other leaders, led India's struggle for us. He is also known as the father of the nation or Bapu. Such an incident in the struggle for independence was the Dandi March. This took place because of the British rulers' tax on the Indians. Salt comes from the seawater. As we know that India is surrounded by water or seas from the three sides. Thus, making salt is very easy. The Indians usually make salt themselves at home. The British took control of all the salt factories and the Indians had to buy salt from the British. They had to pay tax on salt. This enraged the Indians. Salt was very important, especially to the poor. Gandhiji planned a peaceful march against the British policy. The plan was to fight against the unfair British policies. His peaceful march was from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to a small coastal town called Delhi, 348 kilometers away. Large deposits of salt crystals were found there, and Gandhiji thought of evaporating the seawater to make salt and sell it. The Indians would not pay the unfair salt tax. The Dandi March started on 12th March 1930 with Mahatma Gandhi's disciples. They bathed, prayed and gathered with Gandhiji. Each carried only a cloth bag and essential items needed in the journey. It took 25 days to reach Dandi. They reached the beach. Gandhiji collected water, heated it and made 5 grams of salt. He thus broke the salt law of the British. The movement spread all over the country and finally the British had to concede. They removed the salt law and the tax from the Indians. This was the beginning of the non-violent, non-cooperation movement which then brought about independence in 1947. Gandhiji always said that be the change that you want to see in the world. Gandhiji always said some inspirational thoughts that live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. Mahatma Gandhi never compromised on cleanliness. He gave us freedom. We should give him a clean India. So, on the 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, let's take a pledge to make India clean. Our respected PM Modi told that this is our social responsibility as citizens of India to help fulfill Gandhiji's vision of clean India by his 150th birth anniversary in 2020. Also, Gandhiji told that if you want real peace in the world, start with children. And he says in a gentle way, you can shake the world. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it with your all friends.